Hey there, I'm thrilled to present this hoodie style raincoat. Doesn't it just scream cuteness? But wait, we have got a little hiccup. One of our learners is grappling with a hood that refused to lie flat on their garment. Fear not, I have got the remedy, but before starting, let me tell you this class is also available in Hindi and its link is available in description below. First thing first, give your pattern a thorough once over. Sometimes a tiny tweak can work wonder. If needed, make those adjustments. Did you strengthen your pattern earlier and then forget about it? Even solidify is also one of the reasons for this. Yes, your particle distance can have a great impact over your pattern too. Higher values like 20, 30 can give your garment an unintentional stiffness. So, dial it down and see if the fabric starts grooving. Now, if this is also not working for you, then consider the fabric you are using. If it's not playing nice in the drape department, maybe it's time for a fabric swap. Fabric can be a device. Even if you have changed the pressure value of those particular pattern, then that can also be a big chaos. Rest them to 0. If nothing is helping and you don't wish to change your fabric type, then here is example of some hoods that stand tall in the air because the fabric they are made from just love to defy gravity. So my friend, embrace it. Your unique design is a masterpiece. If this class rocked your sewing machine, give this video a big thumbs up. It's like a virtual high five. And if you are head over heels in love, which means I'm sure you are, drop a comment below. Are you new here? Smash that subscribe button. Catch you super soon. Toodles!